And the next one is dining interview. So what is dining interview? Dining interviews. Many times, a company calls a candidate for dining interview. Employers can review the communication and interpersonal skills along with the table manners in a relaxed environment. These are few of the basic types of interviews that a candidate has to overcome. Other less common types of interviews are improper interviews, structured interviews, webcam interviews, case interviews, stress interviews, and exit interviews. See, dining interviews. Have you heard about dining interviews? See, there are companies who will ask for the employee to come to a coffee shop or a restaurant or to a place where a coffee shop or a tea shop or a hotel, small hotel or a restaurant, and they will start ask the questions by having a sip of tea or coffee. So nowadays, this type of dining interviews also become popular, especially in IT sectors and in telecom sectors. This kind of interviews are quite common. See, if suppose if a candidate is asked to come for a coffee shop, he will surely he will not feel the pressure of an interview. Instead, he will feel very relaxed and he will think that okay, here I'm going to a coffee shop and there are going to be few questions asked by the HR. So I'm going to answer the question. That's it. So the main purpose of having dining interview. What is the purpose of having dining interview? The dining interview employees, the employer, the HR will review the communication skill of the employee and the interpersonal skill of the employee, table manners of the employee, whether the candidate is behaving properly or not, whether is groomed well or not. These are things will be observed by the HRM during dining interview. See, the purpose of dining interview is also to save the time because might be the employee might be residing near to the company and HR will also reside at the same area. So HR will think that okay, we will have a interview in a different set of atmosphere so that the employee will feel good. That is the reason why they are conducting dining interview. Otherwise, there is no specific reason for conducting a dining interview. It is one of the interview wherein the employer as well as the employee will feel relaxed and the conversation or the communication or the interpersonal skills or the other skills will be tested or the observed by the HRM in a relaxed way. That is the reason why dining interview is happening. Now, stress interview. This is one of the important interviews. This is one of the important. What is stress interview? A stressful interview is designed to test your reactions in a stressful environment. The interviewer can try to intimate you, and the purpose is to eliminate candidates who do not behave adversely. The interviewer will make a deliberate attempt to see how to conduct himself using methods such as sarcasm, controversial style questions, or long silence. The key to a stress interview is recognizing the stress interview you are having. Do not take it personally. Stay calm, concentrate, and don't let yourself be in a rush. Ask for clarification if you need it. Learn how to push back. Ask an interviewer for a number of problems currently and offer suggestions. Say, for example, if suppose If you guys are interested in railway job, if suppose if you guys are interested in railway jobs, you have to. If suppose if anyone is interested in to become an assistant station master, it is called ASM or goods guard. See, for this one, you have to clear preliminary written examination. Once you clear the preliminary written examination, you will be allowed to take up your main examination. If you got through your main examination, or if you clear your main examination, there is a psychological test. There is a psychological test for goods guard and assistant station master. In that particular interview or psychological test, they will these kind of stress interview will happen in psychological test. They will ask questions. They will ask few questions and they will give only 5 minutes or 10 minutes to solve the questions. And only with the limited time you have to solve more questions. And they will give some critical circumstances. They will create an atmosphere wherein that you will be under stress, or you suppose say for example there will be a question like if there is going to be an accident is going to happen in this signal to other signal, and you are the station master for that particular signal, and first this train is going at a speed of 40 kilometers, and the train which is coming opposite side is coming at the speed of 70 kilometers, and there is only two signals in between. What will you do? What is the first step you will do? These are the questions they will ask to a station master postings. If you clear the psychological test, then only you will be appointed as a station master. So stress interviews similar to the psychological test. So they will test the psychology of the candidate. They will test the psychology of the candidate by giving him some pressure or giving him some stress. Now we will see there are a lot of different questions asked by the interviewer in stress interview. 12 stress interview questions. See, these are 12 questions asked by the HRM in stress interview model. The first question is, how do you feel this interview is going? See, if you ask this question to an employee or job seeker, what you will do? How could you handle undeserved criticism from a superior? How many other jobs are you applying for? What do you do if you saw a colleague stealing supplies or equipment? What did you do when you had a boss you did not get along with? What would you do if a colleague took credit for your idea and got a promotion? Was the stress of your previous job too much for you? What would you do if a colleague admitted to lying on their resume to get the job? What would you do if a customer verbally insulted you in front of co-workers? What would you change about the design of a baseball hat?